in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. Wow. All I do.
So this is what we're going to be using to make our candy cup drinks, okay? So before this video even starts, don't leave me in comments talking about this is liquid diabetes, all this and that. I'm making super small size drinks, okay? It's movie night and I was going to give the kids like a whole box of candy each, and this is definitely less sugar than doing that because I'm really using a bunch of ice in the drink and then just like less than a handful of candy, okay? So I'm going to show you how I put them together. I'm making mine small. If you can definitely make bigger size ones, but of course it's going to be more sugar. I think these little ones are the perfect size, and if you're an adult, you can always throw some vodka in here, throw some rum in here, you know, some Henny, whatever. But I'm about to show you guys how I put these together, all right? Okay, so first off, I have these Haribo sour streamers. These are like the sour gummy tape kind of candies. They're open because, of course, the kids have gotten into them already. I have some Lifesaver gummies, some Sweet Tart ropes. These are going to mimic the straw in the drink. I have some Nerds to float on top and also to sink to the bottom. I have some Sonic Ice. I like Sonic Ice because it's crushed. You can, of course, use regular ice. It doesn't matter, but this is what I have. You're going to need a lemon lime soda. You can use some Mountain Dew, some Sprite, Sierra Mist, whatever. I have a Mountain Dew today, so that's what we're going to be using. And then to mimic the ocean water color, I have this blue raspberry Tampico juice. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using. You can, of course, use maybe some blue Kool-Aid or something like that. But I like the blue Tampico because it's pretty flavorful. It's fruity. It doesn't just taste like sugar water. All right, so let's put this together. All right, so I have my 3 small cups here. I'm going to go ahead and fill them up with ice. Ooh, making a mess this time. Alright, so I have the cups filled with ice. I'm going to go ahead and put in some of this blue raspberry juice. Yeah, no, I'm OCD. Okay, so I have the blue raspberry juice in. You guys, this is really super simple. I hope this video is like 5 minutes long, okay? It does not need to be longer than that. I'm going to go ahead and add some of the Sprite. Well, the Mountain Dew. Usually when I make this, I use Sprite, but this is fine. Alright. Don't fill it too much because when you put the candy in, it's going to add weight to it. You don't want it to spill over. Alright, so that was the Mountain Dew. Alright, so next I'm going to add a couple of these sour tapes to the side of the cup. Just put it in and just hang it over. See? It doesn't have to be like any particular order or anything. Just putting them on different colors, you know, just to make it look fruity and colorful, you know? I'm gonna do 3. That's the last one. As the candy melts, it's gonna turn all different kind of colors too. It's really cute. Alright, so we got the sour tape and the cups. Now I'm gonna take some of these Nerds and just float some on top of the ice. Some are going to sink and some are going to stay on top. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, some of them are sinking and some are floating. Now I'm going to take some of these Lifesaver gummies, okay, and just place them on top. Alright, now let's use a different color. One more. You definitely don't need more than one of these, okay? You guys, I make these for the kids, but these Lifesaver gummies are my favorite, okay? So next we're going to add in our straws. I'm using these Sweet Tart Cherry Punch ropes. And these are how they look. They're like these are kind of like Twizzlers, but fruitier with like some sour stuff inside, I think. But we're just gonna put these in. That's our straw. I got sugar under my nails, y'all. Don't mind it. Look at that. Super easy peasy. So you guys, these are my candy drinks, okay? They're super pretty. Very festive, okay? A little bit goes a long way. These drinks are super tiny. If you're of age, throw some rum, some vodka or something in here, okay? These are dope.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for that #1 spot.